Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating custom workflow automations in Trello, your guide for 2025. To begin, you'll want to open Trello and navigate to the Butler feature. It's located in the top right corner of your board. The reason we do this is because Butler is Trello's built-in automation tool, and it's where we'll be creating our custom workflows. Now that we've opened Butler, click on the Rules tab and then select Add Rule. This helps us because it allows us to create a new automation rule. This rule will define a specific action that will automatically occur in response to a trigger you set. Next up, we need to set our trigger and action. Click on the Trigger button and select the event that will start your automation. For example, you might choose when a card is added to a list. After that, click on Action and choose what you want Trello to do when the trigger event occurs. Let's say, move the card to another list. This is the essence of creating a custom workflow. It's all about setting a specific trigger and a corresponding action. To make our workflow even more custom, you can add conditions to your rule. Click on the Add Condition button and select the conditions that need to be met for your rule to run. For instance, the condition could be if the card has a specific label. This helps us to fine-tune our automation rule and make it more specific to our needs. After setting up your rule with its trigger, action, and conditions, click on Save. Now, let me explain why this matters. By clicking Save, you are activating your rule, and it will start to run automatically whenever the conditions are met. It's important to note that you can also create complex automations by combining multiple triggers and actions. But remember, the key to successful automation is simplicity and clarity. So, start simple and gradually build up the complexity as you get more comfortable with Butler. And there you have it. You've just created a custom workflow automation in Trello. The reason we've done this is to streamline your tasks and increase your productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus more on what truly matters and let Trello do the heavy lifting for you. Thank you for joining us today and learning how to create custom workflow automations in Trello. Try it out and see the wonders of automation for yourself. Until next time,